Hello, my name is Nelson Gutierrez. I am a student of the technical program in a mobile application development at SENA. This is my presentation about a beautiful and powerful place in Medellin, Comuna 13, a history of transformation. Where is it? Where is Comuna 13? Comuna 13 is located in the city of Medellin, Colombia. It is the western part of the city and is known for its transformation, culture, and art. How is it? It is full of colors, graffiti, music, and street art. The houses are on the mountain and painted with bright and beautiful colors. This is one of the most visited places of tourists in Medellin. What can you see there? In Comuna 13 you can find skeletons in the middle of the mountain, many murals with social message, and street performance. One special murals tells the history of the community fight for peace. People also enjoy delicious local food and handmade souvenirs. Why I love Comuna 13? The energy, art, transformation, hope. When you visit Comuna 13, you feel energy, happiness, hope, and inspiration. I choose this place because it represents transformation, resistance, and creativity. It's not just a tourist spot, it's a symbol of how art can change life. Can change life. Thank you for watching.